About Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts is a hotel branch. They offer holidays on the islands of Tenerife and Lanzarote. They have specialized hotels. On Tenerife they offer holidays in hotels like Grand Racande Wellness and Relax, Togotan Lovers and Friends and Togaro Family and Fun. On Lanzarote you can stay in Grand Castillo Tagoro Family and Fun. So, as the name suggests, Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts offers holidays for both families and couples, but also relaxing spa breaks. On their website you can find FAQ lists about each of these hotels. Their hotels have facilities like infinity pools, snack bars, swimming pools, cocktail bars, Santa Rosa grill, gyms, exclusive lounges, and buffets. The hotels itself offer nature, leisure, unforgettable locations, etc. And Lanzarote also offers a beautiful landscape and warm volcanic air. Services of Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. If you are interested in one of the holidays that Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts has to offer, you can book one of their 4 hotels via their website. Just fill in your destination, the start date and end date of your trip to see the options that are available for you right now. They have an online newsletter that will help you to stay updated on their latest news and special offers. If you have any questions or problems, you can contact them via telephone, but also enter into a live chat. Complaints, compliments and tips for Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. Have you ever stayed in one of the hotels of Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts? If so, we would like to hear all about it. What was your holiday like? In what state was your hotel room? Was the island easy enough to reach? What did the booking process of Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts entail? And do they have a customer service willing and able to help you out when you have a problem or complaint? Your opinion matters, so don't hesitate to leave your own review and share your thoughts, experiences, remarks and opinion with potential customers of Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. Is Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts the best hotel provider of hotels on Lanzarote and Tenerife? Read customer reviews about their hotels, spas, bars, etc. Reviews Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. If you are looking for a place to host your next holiday, you have many possible travel agencies, hotel providers and other holiday offers to choose from. There are in fact so many that you might find it hard to make a choice from all these companies. One of the many hotel providers that you can choose is Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. But what kind of holidays can you expect from them? How well do they maintain their hotels? And is there at least some kind of customer service that is at least willing to help you out when you have some kind of problem or complaint? The best investigation on these matters is done by reading reviews from the people that have already been on a holiday with Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts. The experiences and opinions that they already have can help you to find out what kind of company Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts really is. Visit britonviews.co.uk and leave your honest review about Dreamplace Hotels and Resorts.